How's everybody today? If you got a little woodworking business or you want to start one and you're looking for lumber, very inexpensive, what I was doing was I was looking online one day and I found me a barn somebody wanted tore down so we can have all the wood. We just got to go tear it down. Here's some of the wood right here. I mean, we got a whole big pile of it here. We got probably 2,000 square foot of lumber here. Yeah, we got gates and everything. Got a little bit of cow manure around some of it, but that's the price you pay if you want free. There's some gates here, the metal for the roof. We got a bunch of 2x here. Right here, a whole big stack of them. Here's my son, he's over here pulling the nails out of it. We've got a few already here. A couple of stacks right here. We've got nails pulled. Also, if you can't find a barn, you can also get yourself some pallets. I've got some here too. I got some new pallets right here. I've got some we already took apart. You just got to pull the nails out of them. Here's some that's already been de-nailed. Here's a pallet right here. I'm going to give you kind of a quick overview. I got this little pallet tool right here. I always like to start on the end here. Just pop that tool right in there. See, it works pretty easy. Pops them right up. Sometimes you got to stand on the pallet. There's a little piece right there. We got to get out of there. What I do on the last one is I stand right there and pop it up. See that? Doesn't take long at all to pull that thing off. It's a nice little tool right there. I think I paid like 40 bucks for it or something. It's not really that bad. What you can do is you can take the lumber, you got a table saw, you can saw it down. I used my miter saw. I cut the pieces off. I found these chairs right here at a yard sale for like 2 bucks a piece. I got a couple cans of paint and I painted them silver. And I got these pieces I cut for it. They're not quite finished yet. What we're going to do is we're going to take some screws and we're going to screw them into this right here. And we got ourselves a couple of nice chairs. I got a couple more in my shed there too. Yeah, you don't really need a whole big space. I've just got a small shed right here. It ain't really that big. It's kind of messy right now because I've been doing a lot of stuff with it. But as you can see, I got me a little miter saw here. Got a nice table saw. So I made me a little router table. And we've got everything we need. Bandsaw. You don't really need a whole lot to start a little wood shop. And if you follow the link on my underneath the video here, it'll take you to a website that'll show you how to make up to $150,000 a year in your own little wood shop. And you don't really need a whole lot of room. I've got my backyard here. The neighbor's all fine with me having a little wood in there. In fact, I think she wants some anyways. So this is a woodworking dude saying thanks for watching my video. Here's my son again here pulling nails. About time I got some work out of them. This is a woodworking dude signing off saying if you need any more information, just visit the link below and have a great day.